Hi guys, at Willaston, now crossing Cheshire, my home's in Derek Holmes. There we go now, there we go. Now the time is 11:37 on Friday the 5th of April 2024, and this is for our 11:37 1 Zulu 77 locomotive services from Plymouth to Llandudno. Wait, it's here already?
Yeah.
Blooming hell.
It's an HS2, isn't it?
Yeah, it's here already?
Yeah.
How? God, blooming hell. Didn't expect that. Dad, go on the camera.
That's alright, because I need to sit that real. So
Okay. Go.
slow down a bit.
Oh. It's weird, it's normally it would be here quite later.
There we go, slow down.
Or maybe network rail. Thank you. Thank you. 43 on 55. 43:55 to 49 to I don't know. And off they go. Thank you guys, we'll see you next video.